come from the back garden, guys, you know what I mean, really cool and thing, but you know what I mean, I decided to do this video for my fans and to tell them, oh, you can oxygen out your coconut at home to make a coconut oil or to make a coconut juice for your rice and peas or your rundown or for different things which you want to do at home. Is basically the reason why I did the video, because I'm just want to show you guys how to ox the coconut to make the oil, because I'm gonna come with the video about coconut oil, so look forward for that video also. Be careful of the knife when you're using the knife. If you cannot do that one, please ask someone who you know can do it for you, or if you can get the coconut which already ox at the supermarket to buy, they do sell it that way, or if you want to buy a tin coconut. But the using natural coconut is one of the best thing you could ever do to make a coconut oil or your coconut juice at home for your rice and peas and for your purpose. Enjoy the tips, ideas and recipe from Chef Ricardo. We got a lot more recipe coming your way, guys. It's just fantastic. Tune in and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, Google Plus, 50% on my cookbook on Amazon at the moment. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again in the kitchen. But we're not in the kitchen, we are outside, and today I want to show you how you can ox a dry coconut at home without, you know what I mean, just be careful because of health and safety. I'm going to be showing you how you can ox a dry coconut. Right here I have 3 dry coconut which I'm going to be showing you how to ox it. Basically some people use like a hammer, but I have like a chopper and I'm going to be using the back of the chopper. So please don't use this side of the chopper, guys. Very important. We're going to be turning the chopper like this, and we're going to be doing a thing like this. Alright, so basically that's what you want to do, and you crack your coconut. So that's one. Let's put this one side, and if we get another one like this, and we're gonna give it another good lick. As you can see, exactly what is taking place right here. And then we go with the next one just the same way. Nice one. And look at that. Beautiful, really nice, very easy, and you don't have to mess up your kitchen. Right now I'm in my back garden, and that's where I am been doing it right now. I'm not gonna drink this water because this water is dirty, as you can hear the noise and everything. So as I said before, so let's crack it up. If you don't want to, you can always put a hand towel in your hand and also put the coconut on it and crack it up. All right, so basically as you can see, even the coconut start to come out of already, and very easy. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be demonstrating and to show you how you can ox your coconut out from the dry shell. All right, so basically be careful, get a knife, a small knife, because I don't have a small knife. I'm just gonna be using my big knife right here, and catch these edges, and simple. Just simple, just edge it a little bit and just take it out. Very easy. If not, put a hand towel into your hand and do a thing like this. It doesn't get any cut. Be careful of the knife. That's what I'm saying. Very dangerous. But you can put it on a work surface and simple. Take a little time and work it out just like this. So I'm giving you different kind of ideas of how you can do it at home, but the best way is to put it on a work surface like this and take it out. All right, lovely and nice. So basically I'm going to be doing all of these right here. As you can see, this is where the coconut look lovely and nice, really nice. So I know you guys will like this one. All right, Very easy, very easy, guys. But please, if you're gonna do it, be careful here because of the knife. But as you can see, very easy to ox out. This one, it's gonna be cracking that one. It's best for you to make someone who more of professional to do this for you, or you can buy the one which already ox out, which you don't need to do this at home. Nice one. As you can see, nice and lovely. But the only thing, I'm using a really dull knife. This knife is not even sharp. So basically, as you can see right here, what I'm doing, sometimes problem, and then yeah, get it out. But this piece hack is like it didn't want to come out. Lovely and nice. And if this piece is a little bit kind of simple, crack him up like that. Nice one. Break him up. You can see. Nice one. As you can see exactly what's going on right here with this one. Very easy. Some people say, oh, I'm not gonna do this because it's so complicated. But you know what I mean, you want to get the real natural coconut juice, you gotta have to do this. Nice one. That's it. Very easy and simple and done and dusted. Now what we're going to do is to show my fans that something what you can do at home. Alright? So basically you want to cut up your coconut, alright? Just want to have a little piece. All you need to do, look for these little dry bits and simply remove them because you can blend them in your blender. Just cut it up just small like this, guys. Honestly, it's just very easy and simple, nothing complicated. But the whole idea is to show you how you can ox out your coconut at home. So enjoy it and stay tuned. We got a lot more tips, ideas, recipe coming your way. Thank you so much for tuning in to Chef Ricardo Show.